Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Be welcome to our online class Ekalaiva. Hi children, how are you? Yes, all fine here? All are fine? Very good. Children, have you seen Tom and Jerry? Yes. What is Tom and what is Jerry? Tom is cat and Jerry is rat. What is the other name for rat? Yes. The other name of rat is mouse. And what is the plural of mouse? Mice. Good. And what are the things mice will eat? Mice will eat seeds, fruits, grains, and meat. Okay. It is an omnivorous. It can eat both plant and meat. Okay. Today we are going to see the lesson The Mice That Ate Iron. Shall we move to the story? The Mice That Ate Iron. Class 5th Standard English Prose. Before going to the story, I'll tell you the gist of the story. Okay, listen to me, children. Maniram, a merchant, and Lakshman were friends. When Maniram had to go out of town, he asked Lakshman to take care of his most precious possession, a pair of iron scales. Lakshman agreed to it. When Maniram returned from his journey and asked Lakshman about his iron scales, Lakshman said that some mice gobbled them up, though he tried his best to keep them safe. Lakshman was happy that he fooled Maniram so easily. However, Maniram knew that something is fishy. Maniram asked for a favor from Lakshman to send his son to help him carry his things. When he bathed in the river, Lakshman willingly agreed to it. Maniram took him along and locked him up in his house. Maniram came to Lakshman's house weeping loudly. When Lakshman asked about his son, Maniram answered that a hawk came and carried away his son. Lakshman became furious on hearing this and started shouting. Maniram was surrounded by the villagers and the Sarpanch. The Sarpanch asked about the boy's whereabouts and Maniram narrated the same story. Nobody believed him and demanded punishment. Maniram jokingly said that if mice can eat his iron scales, so can a hawk take away Lakshman's son? He then told the whole incident to the Sarpanch and the villagers. Lakshman realized his mistake and returned the iron scales to him. Children, shall we move to the story now? Yes. Listen here, children. Maniram was a merchant. Who's merchant here? Maniram was a merchant. His most precious possession was a pair of iron scales. What do you mean by possession, children? Possession is nothing but state of owning. Okay, ownership. That is called possession. Can you see the word possession? Yes. You can see the word no? Possession. I'll underline this. Possession. State of ownership. Okay. And his most precious possession was a pair of iron scales. Okay. He was keeping that safely. Okay. That is a precious possession. Okay. Valuable one. I have to go out of town. I am afraid someone will steal these weighing scales while I am away. What Maniram is telling, he want to go out of town, but he was afraid because someone will steal these weighing scales while he was away. So he was afraid. Okay. And see here, I apostrophe M. I apostrophe M. What do you see? Can you tell me anything? What is this? I apostrophe M is contraction, no? Yes. Here, this is a contraction. Okay. Here, I underline here. I am is contraction. Okay. Because I already explained, no? Contraction means what? Shortening of two words, no? I am will be writing, but instead of that, we are making it short and writing by using apostrophe. We are making it short. Okay. I'm afraid someone will steal his weighing scales while I am away. So he is frightening. Okay. Oh, Maniram. He requested his friend Lakshman to keep them safe for him. And he's asking his friend Lakshman, please, will you keep this safe? Like that, he is asking. Okay. This is all I have left in the world. Please, will you look after my scales? Maniram is requesting his friend. And what this Lakshman is telling? Of course. Okay. Maniram went off on his journey with an easy mind. What do you mean by easy mind? With an easy mind means here feeling at peace. Okay, he's going out with peace because he gave the iron scales to his friend so that he'll take care of that by thinking that he's going with a peace of mind. But he had a nasty surprise when he returned. What do you mean? You no longer have my scales? What happened? And this boy, Lakshman, is telling that I tried to save your scales, but some mice gobbled them up. What do you mean by gobbled? Gobble means eating quickly, okay, with a noise. Eating hurriedly by making some noise. That is called gobble. Children, do mice eat the iron scale? Whether mice will eat the iron scale? It will eat iron? No. But here, what this Lakshman is telling? He is telling that the mice gobbled them up. The mice ate the iron scales. Will you believe this? Will not believe, no? Let us see what Maniram is telling to that. Okay. Maniram was no fool. He guessed that Lakshman was lying. He understood that Lakshman was lying. He would have to trick Lakshman into admitting the truth. What he thought? Maniram, he thought of playing a trick now so that Lakshman will admit the truth. So he thought of playing a trick. Okay. So thinking of that, Maniram is telling that never mind, my friend, it's just my bad luck. After saying this, Lakshman is thinking in his mind that thank God he accepted my excuse. Like that is thinking because he didn't say anything, no. So he's saying that thank God he has accepted my excuse. Lakshman had not thought it would be so easy to fool Maniram. When Maniram asked for a favor, he was happy to agree. Children, thought. What is the present tense of thought? Can anyone tell me? Is think. The past tense of think is thought. Very good. And what is the opposite of easy? Tell me the opposite of easy. Yes, easy means difficult. What is the opposite of easy? Difficult. Very good. Lakshman had not thought it would be so easy to fool Maniram. When Maniram asked for a favor, he was happy to agree. He asked help. Who asked help? Maniram asked help from the Lakshman. And what Lakshman is telling? He is agreeing. Okay, I'll help you. Okay. And what do you mean by favor? Favor is nothing but help. Okay. What is telling? Certainly, go and help Maniram, my son. Like that Lakshman is telling. Okay. Certainly means surely, my son will help you. And for that, Maniram is telling that, thank you, I'll be back soon. He's thanking Lakshman. Okay. With an easy mind means, what is the meaning? Feeling at peace. Okay. After his bath, Maniram took the boy home and locked him inside. Then he went back to Lakshman's house and began to weep loudly. What happened? After taking bath, Maniram took Lakshman's son and locked him inside his house. And he went back to Lakshman's house and he began to weep loudly. What do you mean by weep, children? Weep is cry, shedding tears. He's shedding tears, no? You can see in the picture, no? Maniram is shedding tears, see. That is called weep. He is weeping loudly, okay. Now Lakshman is asking, what has happened? Where is my son? And Maniram is replying, oh Lakshman, while I was bathing in the river, a hawk swooped down and carried your son away. After saying this, he was shocked. Lakshman was shocked. What? A hawk swooped down? Like that is thinking. Lakshman was beside himself with anger. He got very, very much angry. He was extremely angry. Okay. Can you see the blue words, no? What is that? What do you mean by that? Beside himself with anger? Very angry. Extremely angry. Okay. Lakshman was extremely angry. He shouted at Maniram. Hearing the din, many villagers began to gather around. What do you mean by din? Din is nothing but giving a unpleasant noise. That is called din. When these two, Maniram and Lakshman, were shouting at each other, what has happened? They heard this noise, no? People heard the noise and they gathered around. That is called din, okay? Unpleasant noise. When they were shouting, unpleasant noise will be there, no? That is called din, okay? Many villagers began to gather around. Children, can anyone tell me what is the opposite for began? End. Very good. And now what Lakshman is telling? Liar, cheat. I don't believe you. What is telling? Lakshman is not believing the Maniram story because he is telling a lie, so he is not believing. What he is telling? He is telling Maniram as a liar. You cheated me. I'll not believe your words. Like that, Lakshman is telling. Okay. And next, I tried to save your son, but the hawk flew away. Who's telling these words? Who's speaking, ma? Maniram is telling that I tried to save your son, but the hawk flew away. What do you mean by hawk, children? Hawk is nothing but a bird. Okay, it looks like an eagle. It is the most intelligent bird. Okay, one of the most intelligent bird. Okay, and it flew. What he is telling? I tried to save your son, but the hawk flew away. I tried to save, but it carried away your son and it flew. So I can't save. Like that, who's telling now? This Maniram is telling. Okay. Have you understood this? Tried. Tried means what? Here it is a verb. It acts as a verb. Okay. And hawk is nothing but bird. Okay. Furious, Lakshman dragged Maniram to the Sarpanch. What do you mean by Sarpanch? Sarpanch is nothing but. What do you mean by Sarpanch, children? It is nothing but head of the village. Sarpanch is nothing but head of the village. Okay. And furious. What do you mean by furious? Dreadful, fearful. He became fearful. This who's that? Lakshman. He became furious on hearing that and he dragged Maniram to the head of the village, Sarpanch. And the villagers also followed. Okay. And what do you mean by beside himself with anger? Very angry. Okay. And now see, he dragged Maniram to the Sarpanch. You can see the picture now. See what he is doing. Sarpanch ji, Maniram has kidnapped my son. He must be punished. Tell him to bring back my son at once. Now what he is telling? He is telling Sarpanch that Maniram has kidnapped his son. Okay, he must be punished. Tell him to bring back his son at once. What do you mean by kidnapped, children? To steal a person or to hold someone as a prisoner until a ransom is paid. That is called kidnapped. Okay. And the Sarpanch gazed at Maniram. What do you mean by gazed? Gazed is nothing but stared. Look steadily. Okay. Seeing. Giving a look. The Sarpanch stared at Maniram because he did not believe Maniram's story. What have you done with the boy, Maniram? He is asking a question, okay, to Maniram. And Maniram is replying, he was sitting on the river bank while I took a bath. Suddenly, a hawk swooped down and carried the boy away. What is telling? Maniram is telling jokingly. He was sitting on the river bank while he was taking a bath. Suddenly, a bird, hawk, swooped down. What do you mean by swoop down? Swoop down is nothing but move down, moved downwards quickly. Okay, that is swooped and carried the boy away. Okay, and the Sarpanch did not believe Maniram. He did not believe Maniram's words. And what the Sarpanch is telling, surely you do not expect me to believe this nonsense. Like that, the Sarpanch is telling Maniram. He is a liar, Your Honor. He must be punished. Who is telling these words? Lakshman is telling these words to Sarpanch. Okay. All the villagers gathered around Maniram and asked him to tell the truth. Maniram's reply left everyone except Lakshman mystified. Mystified means confused. What do you mean by mystified? Confused. All the villagers gathered around Maniram and asked him to tell the truth. Okay. Maniram's reply left everyone except Lakshman mystified. Everyone understood that a story is behind that. But Lakshman alone was confused. Okay. His mice ate up my iron scales and I didn't raise a hue and cry. But when a hawk carries away his son, why does he say I lie? What is telling now? Maniram is telling like this. His mice ate up my iron scales and I didn't raise a hue and cry. But when a hawk carries away his son, why does he say I lie? What do you mean by raise a hue and cry? Making a big fuss, making a big issue. When the Lakshman was telling that as mice ate up the iron scales, I didn't make a big issue. But if I say now hawk carried away your son, why he is telling that I'm saying a lie? Like that, Maniram is telling to the Sarpanch. Okay. The Sarpanch realized at once that there was more to the story than what Lakshman had said. He spoke kindly to Maniram. First, the Sarpanji was very angry at Maniram, but now he understood something. A story is there behind the story of story of Maniram. So he spoke kindly to Maniram. Here, what is the past tense of speak? Spoke. No, he spoke kindly. How he is speaking? Kindly. Okay. The past tense of speak is spoke. And is speaking kindly to Maniram now. Maniram, instead of talking in riddles, why don't you tell me what happened? He is asking Maniram now. See, don't speak in riddles, no. You just tell what happened. Like that is asking Maniram. Maniram told the Sarpanch and the assembled villagers how his friend had tried to cheat him. Now Maniram is explaining the Sarpanch and the assembled villagers how his friend had tried to cheat him. Okay. And see how he is saying, if mice could eat my iron scales, then why can't a hawk fly away with a boy? Like that is asking the villagers. Okay, who's asking? Maniram. If mice could eat my iron scales, then why can't a hawk fly away with a boy? Since mice is a rodent, it cannot eat the iron scales. And since hawk a bird, it also can't carry the human being. No, this is the truth. But he told a lie. For that, he is also saying a lie for that. No. For that, he is telling like this. Maniram is telling, if mice could eat my iron scales, then why can't a hawk fly away with a boy? Maniram is telling jokingly to the assembled villagers. The Sarpanch spoke sternly to Lakshman. What do you mean by sternly, children? Sternly is nothing but ordering, commanding. Okay, commanding or in a ordered manner is telling something. The Sarpanch spoke sternly to Lakshman. To whom he is speaking sternly? He is speaking sternly to Lakshman. Lakshman, you cheated Maniram and stole his scales. Return them to him immediately. What is commanding now? This Sarpanchji is commanding Lakshman that you cheated Maniram and stole his scales. You should return to Maniram immediately. Like that is commanding. Who? Sarpanchji. Okay. Your son is safe and sound in my house. I'll bring him right away. I just wanted to teach you a lesson. Now Maniram is telling that your son is safe and sound in my house. You don't want to worry about that. I'll bring him right away. I just wanted to teach you a lesson. So I played a trick like this. Like that, who is telling now? Maniram is telling to all the villagers and Sarpanch and Lakshman. Okay. Now you understood this? And what Lakshman is telling for that? Please forgive me. I have been greedy. I have learnt my lesson now. Now Lakshman is asking sorry. Okay, he's asking, he's telling that please forgive me. I have been greedy. I have learned my lesson now. Now he understood. He accepted his mistake. Okay. Since he was greedy, he told a lie and he felt ashamed, no? Yes, very good. I have learned my lesson now. Now he understood that he made a mistake and he learned a lesson now. Okay. Okay, children, you understood the story? Yes. What is the moral of this story? You should not be greedy. Don't be greedy. Okay. Feel happy whatever you have. Okay. You should be satisfied with whatever you have. Okay. Have with you. Don't be greedy. Okay. Covet all, loses all. Okay. And greedy never pay. That is the moral of the story. Children, once again, I just recall the meanings. Okay. With an easy mind. What do you mean by with an easy mind? Feeling at peace. Beside himself with anger. Extremely angry. Raise a hue and cry. What do you mean by that? Make a big fuss. Making a big issue. Okay. Sternly. Commanding. Ordering. Okay. Possession. State of being owned. Being a ownership. Okay. That is called. Children, you understood this now? Okay, children. Read the story. Read aloud. Okay, thank you, children. Okay, children, thank you.